look at all the pretty yellow things blooming. Oh gosh, it's so pretty. The Terra thing. This is our stuff. Your baby. Yes. Have fun. Thank you. All right. Well, here we go. Don't want to misstep right here when you get off the bus. So which way do we go from here, baby? Through there? All right. Okay.
I'm going to walk that way. But
Okay.
I'll meet you up, and I've already been through that. I really want to do that.
Okay, well, Ryan headed up that way. He's gonna go kind of hike around and do a loop. He's been to this town a few times, and I'm seeing stuff for the first time. Woo! Raging river. I don't know anything about it. Have a lady back here. Oh, it won't let me stretch. Washing clothes. He said I'll have lots to see. You see the mountains, sky is beautiful. Oh, the bridge is shaking. Got a sweet Peruvian lady behind me. Fun. I just asked this lady in front of me the nombre of the rio. And she told me she doesn't know the name of the river. And I said, I don't either. Interesting. I just want to share a moment with this florist. I have some beautiful floral arrangements. These styles are different than what we would have at home. Oh, that one's got a bottle of Corona sticking out of it. You see that? I saw when we were riding up in the bus, I saw evidence of like dahlias, not in perfect rows, not like a flower farm, but I got the impression that maybe some people have some of these things planted on their property. Hola, that no gracias, that they are able then to cut and go down and sell in Cusco, because you do see a lot of flower vendors, and that was pretty fun. Okay, well, I think I see where I'm going to need to go explore here in Cusco. Check down this little area. Try not to get run over. Haven't seen a lot of these. We call them tuk-tuks because that's what they call them in Asia. I don't know what they call them here, but they're so cute. These are a bit different, more secure, more enclosed. With spiffy little vehicles, little taxi services.
The next thing that happened is I meet this gentleman, Pepe, who was